Hey guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 44,822 level on October 15, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 46,312. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 45,342 and 43,042 respectively. Technically, weekend close resulted in a long doji with a long tail. The trend is still negative. The World Call Telecom closed at 2.39 level on October 15, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 3.10. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 2.63 and 2.26 respectively. Technically, the stock is in sideways trend. The Unity Foods closed at 30.29 level on October 15, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 35.44. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 34.01 and 25.80 respectively. Technically, the trend is still negative. The TELE card closed at 16.48 level on October 15, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 18.87. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 19.74 and 15.52 respectively. Technically, the stock is searching for a bottom. The TREET closed at 45.78 level on October 15, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 50.22. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 58.01 and 39.42 respectively. Technically, the stock is declining. The HASCOL closed at 5.25 level on October 15, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 7.13. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 6.55 and 4.51 respectively. Technically, the stock is in downside move. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.